Hello friends, welcome to LMS AI. So in this video, I am going to discuss you about an interesting AI template. So where you can generate MATLAB codes for your research work. Not only you can use that for your research work, and also if you are having any tables, if you want to convert into graphs and charts, high quality graphs and charts, this kind of MATLAB code generation will be very helpful for you. So you can just give an input to the content and convert into a MATLAB code, and that MATLAB code will be used in MATLAB to generate high quality charts and graphs for your research paper. So let us go on to today's video, and I am going to show you step by step procedure how you can use this generate MATLAB code template wisely for your research paper writing applications. For that, first go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this you will be having an option called LMS AI. So just click on the option called LMS AI. So in this LMS AI, you will be having different kinds of LMS AI templates. All these LMS AI templates are especially designed for research paper writing. So here in this video, I am going to show you a template called Generate MATLAB Code. Just click on Generate MATLAB Code. So it leads to the dashboard of this respective template. So you can give an input prompt. Based upon that input prompt, it will generate MATLAB code for you. There are two ways you can use this Generate MATLAB Code template. So the first step, that is first use is that, so you can generate a MATLAB code. For example, I am going to give an input prompt, generate MATLAB code for gray wolf optimization MPPT method. Like that, you can give an input prompt. Based upon that input prompt, it will generate MATLAB code for you. So it will analyze that respective content. Important thing is that you have to specify all these things in this respective tab itself. So what is the type of code you want, what is your application, what is your power rating, all the things you have to give in this tab itself. So here comes the perfect MATLAB code. You can use this MATLAB code for your research purposes. Important thing is that you can edit whatever you want. You can change these codes according to the power rating what you are using. So this is a first way where you can generate a perfect MATLAB code for your research paper writing. So in the same way, you can ask any codes you want. This AI template will provide perfect MATLAB code for you. So the next thing is that how to obtain high quality charts and graphs for your research paper. So for that, first I am going to take a table here. So this is a table. So I am going to convert these tables into a graph, a high quality figure. For that, so I am going to use this table in this tab and give an input prompt, generate a MATLAB code to draw bar chart for this table. So here, after giving all these things, just to click on generate code. This table will be analyzed by this respective template and it will generate perfect MATLAB code for you. So you can use this MATLAB code to draw high quality charts and graphs for your research paper. Here you can copy this code and you can use the code here. So you can just paste the code. Based upon that code, it will generate that is charts and graphs for you. So this is how a perfect high quality chart will be generated. So here you can see radians will be taken in this axis, case 1, case 2, case 3 are taken in this axis. After that, the maximum power will be taken in opposite axis. So like that, it will give you a perfect and high quality charts and graphs. So if you want to save it as a high quality image, export, go to rendering and then select the DPI you want, resolution you want. I am going to go 300 DPI and just click on apply figure and then export. So I am going to save this high quality image as MATLAB. Here like that, I am going to save. Just click on save. So in this desktop, you can get a very high quality figure for that respective table. This is, I have saved as a MATLAB figure. Here, if you want to save it as an image, so just go to again and then just click on export and then just use JPEG. That JPEG file will be saved here. So here you can see, this is how you can obtain a high quality figure using this generate MATLAB code template. This template is not only used for to generate MATLAB code for your research paper or simulation purposes, it also used to generate a better and a high quality charts and graphs for your research paper also. Here I have mentioned it as a bar chart. So instead you can give any chart, it will provide perfect charts for you. So you can use the same code in the MATLAB. Only thing that you have to install MATLAB in your computer. Based upon that, you can generate a perfect picture for your research paper. This is how you can use this LMS template wisely for your research paper writing. I hope you can get an idea about how to use this respective template. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, so you at just 299, you can access all our LMS templates for 1 month, and then you can get unlimited access. So you can use n number of these templates and you can generate whatever the content you want. And the best pack is 999, so you can access our LMS tool for 1 year, and you can get unlimited access to all our LMS templates for 1 year. So this is how you can use this LMS templates wisely for your research paper writing. Go on and explore this LMS templates and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.